So it looks like my parents' sink is leaking, but specifically this InSinkErator. See how it's leaking on the bottom? I don't know how old it is, but it looks like it's a model 500-1. Alright. And it does work, see? But unfortunately it's leaking. Unlike mine at my house where it doesn't even turn on. So it looks like today I'm gonna have to replace this. We have everything we need right here, such as like Allen wrench, flange, bolts. So this is the top piece giving you a look at this is goes in sync with the stopper, see? Okay, it should be pretty much straightforward. It should be pretty much uninstall. Install. This is pretty heavy. So you can see this is the InSinkErator Badger 5 half horsepower unit. Might need to use a hammer. Wow, that was easy. Wow, it came out super easy. I just realized I made a huge mistake. I bought the wrong model. This is actually the hardwire model. See these two wires? That's for if you want to do the hardwire, which I don't want to do. I want to use a straight plug-in. So I have it on. Now we're going to turn it clockwise. Make sure it latch into place. So ideally, you want this to touch that to before you lock. Use this Allen wrench to apply some force to it. All right, now it's fully tightened. You see how that's touching up right against the ramp? Okay, so now I'm just going to basically reattach this and the other hoses, and we're good to go. Everything is back to its ready state. Now we can finally test it out. Make sure it doesn't leak. I'm going to run it with water. Okay. No leakage. So far, looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on. It's working. Hey, I think we're good to go.